In this video, you're going to learn how to blend two images in Photoshop. So here we have two images that we want to blend together. So what we want to do here is we'll make this big, so it's bigger, like that. And we'll also make this big. Let's scale it up as well. Right now, these images are not blending together. How can we make it so they blend together? Now that we have this image on top of the other, what we're going to do here is we're going to come to layers. Open the layers, then you make sure that you select the image on top, then you see the normal on top here. This is the blend mode. When you click here, you're going to see different blend modes that you can work with. Remember, we have the image which is behind this one. Let's just hide this one for a little bit. You see this image that we have here? Yeah, I want you to see the difference between that and this one, the one we have on top. And so when we actually apply the blend mode on this one on top, you're going to see what this does to this image. It's sort of transparent such that you can see the image behind. Sometimes you'd want to make complex backgrounds like that, and so this is what you can do here. You can just simply come here and choose the blend mode you want to work with, and here you have different blend modes that you can work with in Photoshop. So we have the darken, multiply, color burn. As you can see here, I'm not clicking on anything, I'm just bringing the mouse on top of these ones as like that. As you can see here, it's changing and applying that blend mode on this. So it simply shows you what it's going to look like when you select it, and this is good. So for instance, if we select this one and also try to scale this up so it can fit the size of this background that we have, we've created this blend for these two. So now these two images are blending together. You can see the image behind, you can also see the one in front. This is how you can simply come up with complex backgrounds in Photoshop. This is how you can blend two images in Photoshop. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe for more videos like this.